Hi everyone, welcome to Value. So today we're going to talk about DIDI Global, and basically you know what it does. It's basically the Uber of China, and it is up 66% in the pre-market. And is there a reason? Yes, there is a reason, because if you have seen the news releases, DIDI is able to resume app downloads and get and bring in new users to its platform. The scrutiny is over. They are no longer basically being hunted down by the Chinese government, but at the same time, they are also delisting off the New York Stock Exchange. So basically, back in May the 23rd, they announced to the New York Stock Exchange that it would be delisting its company's American depository shares, and in basically that would become effective 10 days after the June the 2nd. But I think they will be updating you further on once that happens. But yeah, that kind of means that buying the stock is probably a no-go. Like, you're looking at it right now and going, is it worth buying the stock? But only if it's worth a trade. But you don't actually want to buy it and holding it for a longer term, because potentially, if this delists, then you could be holding a stock of a company that is listed in another country, and if you're only able to buy and sell US stocks, that could put you in a very tough situation. So as much as there's really good news and the stock price is up, you also want to consider what's going to be happening in the future as well. That's then delisted. Even though the news is good that the hunt for on DD is over, that hey, the government's actually on the side of tech companies now, but it's a little bit too late because stock's fallen so much, and anyone buying in right now risks basically getting caught holding shares that they don't actually know how to sell. So that's kind of the situation of DD. They are able to resume business as usual, but not as a US listed company, in terms of their American depository shares. But yeah, like, that's basically the situation with DD. That I would say probably it's entertaining watching the share price go up that much, but best not to buy the stock because you know it's getting delisted. If you've got any questions, post below. Until then, good luck investing, everyone.